yeah, this is not a yacht, this is the giant yacht.
Lovely, isn't it?
Yeah, there's palm trees everywhere. Oh my god, the size of those buildings. Sandy. 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 Hello.
On your left hand side, you're going to be looking at the Venetian Islands, which is a chain of artificial islands connected by small white bridges. On these islands, you will get to see condos, apartments, many homes. Many of the homes here starting prices from $3 million and up. And a lot of the homes here you can rent on Airbnb, guys. So a lot of the homes you get to see on these islands, you could actually rent on Airbnb. This home, you can also rent on Airbnb and be like Jackie Chan.
Oh my god. Wow.
Okay, tantas personas ahí porque puede también ser como Jackie Chan que pila la mansión en Airbnb. Como en la mansión de la vecina.
I'll be happy with this grey one here.
On Hibiscus Island, we have a 3-story white colored home with the white dome on the roof. Home of Puerto Rican singer Vive la Vida Loca, Ricky Martin. Next to Ricky, another white home with a boat in front that belongs to the actress and model from Baywatch, Carmen Electra. Son de la cantante colombiana Las Cadenas Humilde, Shakira. home that is made your work, guys. Medyo pinasita bastante ang negosyo.
Pero 老问哈。
You're doing it then.
Hello, Izquierdo. This is Palm Island. We are going to be making a U-turn, so you guys on the right will get to see it next. I don't know where they move before we make that turn here on your left. We have a small 2-story gray and white pool house with the 8 windows there. The
Oh, yeah.
white beachers, and right behind those white beachers at the end, right in the back between the palm trees, is the main home.
Oh.
Casa pequeña gris y blanca, sillas de playas blancas, al fondo detrás escondida está la mansión principal. The small 2-story gray cabana here on the left was used and occupied by the chauffeurs and bodyguards of gangster mobster from Chicago, Al Capone. Al Capone bought the mansion here in 1928 for $40,000. He lived in it from 1928 to 1947. In 7 years of those 19 years, he lived in a more exclusive and private island with baby room service. Alcatraz, the prison of Alcatraz. First home here on the right, Puff Daddy's house, one of the exes of Jennifer Lopez. Mentioned a little bit of Puff Daddy, Lopez, ex-novice of Jennifer Lopez. He has a brand new neighbor, guys. You won't believe who it is. It's the one and only now Morgans of Jennifer Lopez, A-Rod Alex Rodriguez. So you heard right, we have the ex and the boyfriend. As they welcome to Miami. The next 4 homes coming up. The next 4 homes starting from the small one here in the back. All 4 homes, the boat on the left and the yacht, belong to one man, Stuart Miller, owner of the construction companies in Miami, Lennar Homes, owner of half of this island. He has 7 properties here. So right behind this home under construction, there's another mansion, so that will be the 5th mansion on the island. Next mansion here coming up, guys, white color home, orange roof for all the girls that he's loved before. Former home of my father-in-law, Spanish singer Julio Iglesias. That belongs to Dr. Philip Frost. He's the former president of IVAX Pharmaceuticals, second largest pharmaceutical company in the U.S. He had a lot to do with the famous blue pill created by Pfizer by the name of Viagra. He mentioned that was used in the filming of Bad Boys 2, guys, the Yellow Mansion. La mansión amarilla fue una de las mansiones de verano del famoso actor Will Smith, mansión que se utiliza en la filmación de Chicos Malos Parte 2. Yellow Mansion, mansión amarilla, Bad Boys 2, Chicos Malos 2. We are now going to be approaching the most expensive and the largest property on Star Island. The first part of the home coming up is going to be the private garden, which is where all the palm trees look alike.
Wow.
Vamos a acercar aquí a la propiedad más grande y lujosa y costosa del país. La primera parte de la mansión que van a mirar es el jardín, donde están todas las palmeras que se miran por igual. This entire property here took a little bit more than 3 years to build at a cost of over $50 million. Each palm tree imported from Africa at a cost of $10,000 each. There are 32 palm trees, guys, and out back. That's not the mansion, that's just the greenhouse. So follow the palm trees, we're supposed to be approaching the mansion. Toda esta propiedad tardó un poquito más de 3 años en construir, la costo de más de 50 millones del especialista con Sharon Stone, Sylvester Stallone, película del año 94. Tiene 10 habitaciones, 12 baños, está a la venta por solamente $48 millones si le interesa. This mansion of the construction also belongs to Stuart Miller from Lennar Homes. Esta mansión bajo construcción también del señor Stuart Miller de la constructora Lennar Homes. The white building with the orange roof used to be on the right-hand side of the lot. They lifted up completely from the ground, moved it to the left-hand side where it is now. Why? It's considered historical. They're not allowed to demolish the building. No other choice but to move it over and build a new one right next to it. This next mansion with the white roof is a former home of one of Hollywood's greatest stars, Elizabeth Taylor. mentioned that she used in her honeymoon with Eddie Fisher many marriages ago. She had 8 marriages, 7 husbands, and like 500 boyfriends. Liz Taylor. The basketball player Shaquille O'Neal. He bought the mansion for $23 million, but in 2009, he sold it for $16 million to Russian billionaire Vladislav Doronin, ex-boyfriend of the famous model Naomi Campbell. He took a $7 million loss.
Oh my God.
Próxima mansión aquí con el casero, mansión de Sylvester Stallone, quien conocemos como Rocky Balboa, Rambo. Next to Rocky, white color home. 11 bedrooms, 11 bathrooms, 2 swimming pools, could be yours, $35 million. Considered by the People's Magazine as the sexiest man alive after my husband, David Beckham, who's going to build a soccer stadium here in the city of Miami. Big white color home. Casa Blanca grande, muy bonita, del exfutbolista y modelo, considerado el hombre más guapo del mundo, después de mi esposo, David Beckham, que queremos el estadio de fútbol aquí en la ciudad de Miami. Next to Beckham, the next mention belongs to an actress, singer, model, explaining from Brazil, Xuxa. La próxima canción de la cantante, modelo y actriz de Brasil, la famosa Xuxa. Before Xuxa in the 80s, it belonged to Madonna. Antes de Xuxa en los 80, le perteneció a Madonna. Next to Xuxa, the next 2 pink-colored homes belong to Cuban singer Gloria Estefan and her husband Emilio Estefan. The house on the right is the $4 million recording studio.
Just chilling.
I don't know, I've got things across the door. I'll see. Just about, probs. With what? With what? With what? It's too close. The GoPro's close, it's further away from your face. It's too close to my face. I don't like it. I don't like it. Ooh. 1, 2, 3. It's just jiggly one, poor thing. Oh, yeah. Well, he's gonna wake up. He's annoyed. We're not gonna be able to taste further than this map though. Cruise ship's leaving. Oh, whoa, whoa. I can stick to the tracks and that's it. Just about. I got sand in my shoes. What am I gonna do? Oh, you saw the foot in you. Right, dragging time. Dragging time. Oh, I just kicked more sand into my shoes. Freaking Nora. Nora. More sand in my shoes. Oh, this is good. Sand's getting very thick now. It's becoming a real bind to pull this child. This car, the wheels are barely spinning. I don't know if I'll be able to make it to the green and yellow line thing. Oh. Oh. I'm gonna have more sand in my shoes than I am on the beach. Yeah.
Go up to the top of it. How?
Did ya?
You have to. I haven't.
Oh.
Which way are we going down?
Yeah. Can do.
See?
Yeah.